Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey genius, welcome back. The new video, test your eagle eyes, find 36 within time. Come on my genius viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, amazing. Hey legend, check your brain, find 75 within given time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey, are you Focus Master? Find 02 within time. Come on, genius. My question is very hard, but my viewers is very genius. Come on, genius. Time is up. Wow, you are a legend. Hey, spot the odd letter FT within given time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, amazing. Hey viewers, boost your IQ level, find 40 within time. Time is over. Hey, check your observation skills. Find 90 within time. Hey viewers, test your visual skills, find 65 within given time. Time is up. Hey, are you genius? Find 6B within given time. Come on, genius, time is up. Nobody can find G4 within given time. Yes, my viewers is very genius. Hey, anybody can find 3x within given time? Come on, viewers, my question is very hard, but my viewers is very legend. Come on, legend, time is up. Hey viewers, test your fast eyes, find RS within given time. Time is over. Find the odd emoji within given time. Wow, amazing! Hey, identify the odd number A8 within time. Wow, that's great! Hey viewers, come on, next medium level. Hey viewers, test your visual skills, find 295 within given time. Hey viewers, come on, time is over. Wow, you are very legend. Come on viewers, check your observation skills, find 6, 2, 5 within given time. Time is up. Hey viewers, boost your IQ level within 15 seconds. Wow, that's great! Hey, are you Focus Master? Find 980 within time. Wow, good job! Hey viewers, challenge your eyes, find 412 within time. Wow, amazing! Hey viewers, spot the odd letter UKJ within time. Wow, find the odd emoji within 15 seconds. Amazing! Hey genius, identify the odd number 197 within time. Come on viewers, time is over. What's next heart level? Hey, viewers, fast your eyes. Find 6934 within time. This is a very hard question. Come on, viewers. Time is up. Hey, viewers, check your brain within 15 seconds. Come on, my legend viewers! You found it! Time is over! Hey viewers, boost your IQ level within time! Wow! Amazing! Focus Master, find 0808 within time. Come on, viewers, my last question and very hard question. You found it? Time is up. Wow, amazing! Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.